Welcome to another Uganda Diaries vlog where I share with you my experiences with travel, culture and everyday life in Uganda.
Fresh honey.
One thing you need to understand about the average Ugandan is that they are entrepreneurs. They can easily set up a business by selling at the market, setting up a shop, setting up a mobile money stand. That is how they make an average day's living. Here's a market full of sellers, different produce and items, and it's a blessing to everyone. This is food that was locally grown, and it's a simple and classic dish, beans and rice.
Something like that. No, dear. What's that? Don't make it sound like you're reading.
Okay,
It's like someone is showing you a paper. Go.
Okay. Chatan la goba. Yo.
Chatan la goba. Wa yaga get bought job.
That day my mum was in the studio recording some music, and so I just popped in to visit her, see what she was up to. She typically does this in Uganda. It's a dream that came to her later in life, and it's amazing that she's just run with it and has just never stopped ever since starting.
Some kind of string instrument.
Does it have a name?
Actually, it uses. It's a bit like.
What about the other one? They call like
violin.
Yes.
It's a bit like violin.
It's like close
violin.
to violin.
Yeah. It's
Really?
very close to violin.
I know that one. They pluck it.
Yeah. No.
Just like
It's
this.
just like violin.
No.
They rub it like violin.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
But-
So live
the
instruments,
good-
live
It is
African,
this one,
Ugandan instruments.
This is one.
Yeah.
So nice.
He was here. Maya ye, Kayuni ye, Anyara Gamke. Natanga Goba, Wayaga Bibotlo, Maya ye. Natanga Goba, Wayaga Bibotlo, Maya ye, Kayuni ye, Anyara.
Okay, I've been to town, I've come back home, I had lunch. I got some ginger from the market. This one cost me 1,000 shillings, which is about, 25p? Something, such a good price. This is so much ginger, I bought some lotion. This one is Roche Amara. I got some toothpaste, which was needed in the bathroom. I have my own toothpaste, but other people need toothpaste apparently, so I'm just gonna put this in the bathroom. I bought this cake. I think maybe I was hungry or something, but it doesn't taste that fresh, so I'm probably not gonna eat the rest of it. I got these plantain chips as well. This cost me 2,000 shillings. I got some jewelry. If you want to see it, then definitely follow me on Instagram. I'll be wearing it in a outfit soon. I got some posters. It's basically a map of Uganda with all the regions of the different tribes. It's like so many. I got 2 of these, 1,000 shillings each from like a stationery shop. I also bought a long bar of soap. This cost 2.5k, but if you go inside the market you can get it for 2.2k. soap. You can use it for washing clothes, bathing, anything. Just wanted to show you the poster that I got of Uganda. So let me just move the sign. Move my phone, or just putting my phone down there so you can see. This is just, I got 2 of these. It's basically all the tribes, and then it says Tanzania down there because it's just showing what it borders. So this is the poster that I got, and then at the bottom there's a little chart of the districts in Uganda. So like right now I am in Gulu, which is in the northern part. So Gulu is where? Gulu. I'm looking for Gulu. Okay. Gulu is here. And later, Gulu is here. Gulu is there. And later on this week, I'll be going to Kitgum. So that's about an hour and a half to Kitgum. And yes, as you can see, there is. So yeah, so right now I'm in Gulu, and that's Kitgum here. It's quite big. So basically my grandparents actually from Kitgum, but they settled in Gulu, but I still have family in Kitgum as well, so that's why I got it. You can see all the districts. Lovely. So anyways, let me know what you think of this map. Would you be interested in having one? It's basically all the different districts.